the online classes. So yesterday we have seen about the heterotrophic nutrition, how the digestion takes place in the human beings, and what are the different organs related with the human digestive system, right? So now let us see about, in short, in brief, the flow chart of the human digestion. So whatever the process we have studied in detail yesterday, so that can be represented, shown in the form of a flow chart. So this is what we call it as flow chart of human digestive system, right? Now most important 2 marks question this is. So let us see about. So what we have seen, stepwise process in the digestion of process of the human being. So that we are writing in short by showing in the form of boxes, which is called flow chart of the human digestive system, right? Now here you can see in the beginning, so already we have studied that the mouth is the first organ of the human digestive system, opening of the first opening of the human digestive system, and anus is the last opening of the human digestive system, right? Now the food which is taken into the mouth slowly moves into the buccal cavity. From there it moves into the pharynx. From there it moves into the food pipe. Food pipe is also called as esophagus. From there slowly the food is stored into the stomach region. Now once the food, after getting grinded, after chemically mixed with the acid, now slowly the food starts moving into duodenum. This is the junction where the juices produced by liver, that is bile juice, and pancreatic juice from the pancreas are released into the duodenum, right? Then the food slowly travels into the small intestine, then moves into the large intestine. And do remember, in the small intestine we have seen yesterday one process called absorption. So after the absorption is over, digested food absorption is over, then the undigested food moves into the large intestine. From there, whatever the undigested food is there is stored into the region, that is a rectum. From rectum it is released through from our body through an opening called as anus, and the process is called defecation. So this is how we represent the total process of digestion in short, in brief. So this is called as flow chart of human digestive system, right? Now let us move to the next aspect, that is next concept, that is health aspects of alimentary canal. So what is mean by health aspect? That is problems related to the digestion in the human beings, right? The most common problems we have got. So number 1, it is vomitings, and the second one is ulcers. So what do you mean by vomitings? So vomitings is nothing but it is a process of expelling the unwanted food material or undigested food material from the stomach, right? And in this process, so we have got a special type of method that is called as reverse peristalsis. We call it as reverse peristalsis. So yesterday we have seen one word called as peristalsis. So whenever the food is moving from the food pipe into the stomach, so the peristalsis process movement takes place, right? Now here, whenever the food is to be expelled from the stomach into the food pipe, from the food pipe into the pharynx, from the pharynx into the buccal cavity, from the buccal cavity into the mouth, from there it is coming outside. That process we call it as reverse peristaltic movements or reverse peristalsis, right? And that is what the phenomenon we call it as vomitings. And vomitings, for this we have a different type of the reasons. So mostly important reason is that whenever we take excess of food, or whenever we are eating more oily food, so or if there is any food poisoning, right? Unwanted substances whenever they go along with the food material, then the process called as vomitings takes place. Okay, so this is the major problem, that is vomitings, right? Then here the second one more problem related with the alimentary canal or human digestive system is the ulcers. So ulcers mainly occur because of not taking the food at the proper time. So here acidity leads to ulcers. So what happens in the ulcers? So especially in the ulcers, the mucous membrane in the different organs of our digestive system gets damaged, and these ulcers are again further divided into gastric ulcers. The ulcers which take place in the stomach, they are called gastric ulcers, or they may take place in the duodenum, they are called as duodenal ulcers. They are called as duodenal ulcers, or they may take place in the intestine, called as intestinal ulcers. Intestinal ulcers. So to overcome this particular problem of ulcers, so it is at most important to take our food at the proper time. That can be breakfast or afternoon meals or night dinner. So time to take intake of the food, so we can overcome this problem of ulceration. Okay, right. This is about these are the 2 major problems about the health aspects of the alimentary canal. So what are the simple steps in our day-to-day life we can take to avoid these particular vomitings or ulcers, right? So take here we have written some 6 most important points to avoid this type of the element problems related to alimentary care. Number 1, take simple and balanced meals. Balanced meals means the food we take should contain required quantities of nutrients, that can be carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. So the food should be very simple, not heavy. So and it should be a balanced food. So time to time taking of the simple balanced meals will avoid the problem of vomitings and ulcers. Apart from that, we have what? So taking the food leisurely. So whenever we are taking the food, it's not a hurry job to do the work. So minimum 15 to 20 minutes at least we have to take our food. So and next step is, while taking the food, proper mastication is to be done. So yesterday we have seen that the very first process of the digestion starts in the mouth. Breaking of the carbohydrates takes place in the mouth. So proper mastication will help in the easy digestion. So that is one more step we can follow in our day-to-day life. Next, coming to taking plenty of water. So whenever we are taking plenty of water in our day-to-day life, so it will avoid major problems and the defecation process will be easy. That is, the bowel movements will be regular and easy. So taking of water is very much important. Plenty of water and avoiding violent exercise. Never go for exercise after taking the food. It can be early in the morning before we take the food, or evening hours we have to go for the exercise, but not after taking the food. Right? So these are the simple steps how we can follow your day-to-day life and avoid the problems, that is health aspects of the alimentary care. Right.